First of all, log into your Instagram account. Then look at the top right side and click on your DP. Then click on Settings. Under Settings, now look at the left sidebar and click on Help. Under Help, click on Help Center. Then again look at the left sidebar and click on Manage Your Account. And then click on Delete Your Account. Then click on How do I delete my Instagram account? And then scroll down and click on Delete Your Account. Then it will take you to the account deletion page. Now choose a reason from the drop down menu that why do you want to delete your Instagram account. I selected the option created a second account, and finally re-enter your password and click on delete button to delete your Instagram account right now. Thank you so much for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.